Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a recessed ceiling inside REVIT. So here as you can see on my screen I have a sample of recessed ceiling with two different levels. So for this example we're gonna make a 2400 level from outside here, this one, and 2600 from the ground floor to the inner recessed ceiling. Alright, so let's proceed. Let's go on the ground floor. So we're going to make our recessed ceiling on this area here. And then first, what we need to do is we need to go to ceiling plan. Make sure you're on the level 0 and start on doing the ceiling. Make sure you're on. You press the architecture tab and go to ceiling. Press this. So before we start doing anything, uh, we need to create a ceiling 01. So here already created. As for this demonstration, I only want to show you with a 10 gypsum board. Okay. So let's start creating the profile. I will use the sketch ceiling and click this rectangular tab. Then I'll start creating ceiling from this point to this point, and I will set this height offset from 2400. Okay, and then make sure that the level will be level 0, and then we need to click the rectangle tab again, then create a new profile that will be offset by 600. You can change the offset, depends on your project. And then I will click on this corner here. We need to finish editing for the outer ceiling. So we already finished the first ceiling, so we need to create a new one that will be the inside ceiling. Click this ceiling again and sketch ceiling. You're just going to repeat the process. So rectangle, change the offset to 200. So we want to have a 200 from the inside of this 2400 high ceiling that we have first made. Okay, then we need to change the value to 2600, so it will be higher than the first one. Okay, make sure it's also level 0, then finish. Okay, to see what we have done, we need to create a section. So let's just run a section here, horizontal line. Then we need to double click here. Let's just fix this so we can see what we have done here. So right now, here is our ceiling level. This is the 2.4, and this one is the 2600. Alright. Now that we have two different levels, we need to start creating the profile to create the Cove inside. Let's create a Z profile that will run or wrap around the rectangle. So what we need to do, we need to go to architecture tab again, component, model in place, and select ceiling. Then press OK. Then let's just call it ceiling 1. OK. Then we need to choose sweep, and here we need to pick path, but first we need to go to level 0 and let's pick a path. make sure that you will pick the first line that is opposite to the section that we have made, so we can see the profile that we are going to edit. So let's pick this one first, the other lines. All right, so now we already finished the path. Let's now create the profile. So click the edit profile here, then let's pick the section one. This is the section that we have created previously, and then click open. Now let's start doing the Z profile. So let's just press TL first so we can see the detail much accurate here. So say this one is 90 mils on top. You can write the value and then up to level here. Okay, so we need to move this 10 mils and click this one, then to continue editing the profile. So make sure that everything is 10 millimeters. So we can use the trim tool to edit the profile again. Make sure that you have drawn it properly so it will not receive any error. So now we already finished the Z profile that will wrap around the recess ceiling. So just click finish edit mode and finish model. Okay, now that we already finished it, let's go back to floor plan to see the 3D view. Alright, we need to go here to view tab and click the 3D view, click camera, and we need to place the camera here on the corner side and hover or drag our camera over here, and the view or perspective view will pop up on our screen, and we'll just need to fix the views to make it larger, and to make it realistic we need to select here and click realistic mode. And now we already have the recessed ceiling, so now we can start placing our lights and street lights around the Cove area. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe and leave your suggestion for our future contents.